Annyeonghaseyo.
안녕하세요.
Today's mission is we are giving 200 pesos each for the student, 200 for Jaysha, 200 for Justin, and then thank you Sir Boyong Sanem for sending allowance for the children in the Philippines. Okay, Jaysha, what can you say about it?
Thank you for this 200 pesos.
Sir,
Sir Boyong-san.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Justin.
Thank you so much for my allowance, Sir Boyong-san. 감사합니다.
And then you, Jaysha, how old are you?
14.
14 years old, and then you are in ninth grader. Istorya ba lang? And then 9th grader. And then Jaysha, what is your dream in life?
Flight attendant.
Jaysha wants to become a flight attendant, and then what is your hope?
My hope
Ay,
is to be successful.
To be a successful flight attendant and to help your parents as well. And then Justin, how old are you?
I'm 14 years old.
And then you are in grades
9.
9th grader. And then what is your dream in life?
My dream in life to become a doctor.
Oh, doctor. What is your total average?
89.
89%. And Justin, what is your hope?
I hope to finish study and help my family and also my neighbor.
Okay, that's good, Justin. Thank you so much, guys, for the thank you so much, children, for study hard. Okay, you promised to Sir Boyong Sanem that you study hard and make your grades higher. Okay, you're going to school now. Okay, kanang ano mabalik kang kamsamida Sir Boyong Sanem.
Sir Boyong-san.
Kamsamida. Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3, go.
Sir Boyong-san. 감사합니다.
Okay, okay. The allowance is for your school needs and then your food, your snacks in school. So keep it and thank you, Jesus.
Thank you, Jesus.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, bye bye.